Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this Cata H Saw Set because I'm working on a project around the house. I couldn't find my hole saws, so I needed to replace them, but I didn't want to go spend a whole lot of money. But of course, I still wanted something good quality. So I just got these in the mail. So I'm gonna open it up for you now and just show them to you. So just a quick unboxing, show you how it comes, what it looks like, what it feels like. I love that it comes with this case here because, again, I tend to lose my tools sometimes, so having a decent case to put them in, of course, is going to come in handy for me. So open it up real quick so you can see. Comes with the little packet, instruction packet in there. And then it has all of your blades kind of nested really neat in here. So let me take these out and see them. Hopefully you can see how they come. So they're a little oily, but no, that's to be expected anytime you get like metal tools that come, they're oiled so they don't get rusty. And then you have your two, I'll try to hold it up close without spilling everything out. Then you have your two kind of arbor bolts there that you use to hold your hole saws, fix them into your drill. And then your Allen wrench that it comes with to tighten them. So again, that's basically about it for this one. Again, I just wanted to really crack it open for you and let you see. It's a really basic set, but it seems like a really good price. The overall packaging of it seems good. The metal material seems good. I bought products in the past that did come rusted because they weren't oiled, so I'm actually happy to see that these were oiled and not rusty. So obviously I haven't got to use them yet, but again, just showing you what it comes with. I'll do another review pretty soon, as soon as I get a chance to actually try them out myself. Thanks.